Today's episode is presented from Wham Fleur de Sel Rosemary Caramel Edition. Hello, my name is Wolfgang Schlitter, owner of the Wham No. 1 Das Burgerhaus in Weiden and zum Wham Bazi in the local town hall in Neustadt an der Waldnab, Germany. Today I'm very excited, I'm a bit nervous because not only do we have the best chef in the world here, also one of my childhood heroes is here, my idol, the real American Hunk Huggan. Okay, have fun. Hello again to my little cooking show, Kochen with Schuhfons Albeck. Today I have a very good friend of mine here. He's a real American. His name is Hunk Huggan. Here, Schuhfons brother. Today I eat some vitamins, say some prayer, and roll right over the Cooking with Schuhfons Albeck show, brother. Yeah, I like the energy. Way better than Pasta Mania. Pasta Mania. You know the Honkster, dude. Look at that. Has the biggest muscles in the world. So I'm asking you, Schuhfons, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when I and my Hunkamaniacs run wild on you, dude? Oh, we need the following ingredients. We need salmon. Wow, that's like Thunder in Paradise, dude. Good shows. We need rice and we need different kind of vegetables. Yeah, dude, sounds like my diet. Man, I'm hunking up already. That's like the good stuff that I'm eating at home. Too sweet. N-A-O, new Albeck, order for life. So we have to fillet the fish. Wolfpack, you can do it? Do it for the idiots. Yeah, you make it. Okay, good. Es Folge 10 auf Englisch. So we have herbed rice. Just some herbs, rice, and I would just say put it freestyle on the plate. Then we have fresh vegetables that we just pan-seared with salt, pepper. If you have a nice variety, it's very nice because different flavors. And then we have the pan-seared salmon, put nicely on top. Zack. And that's the finished dish for Schuhfons to try. That looks nice. Hunk, you want to try? That's good stuff, brother. Oh, no, I'm too old for this shit. Bye. You try our beer liquor. It's called Wambock. It's very, very nice. Look what it does to you if you drink the beer liquor. Now, we have everything already here. And that's our salmon with rice and vegetables. Crunchy salmon. I don't even need a knife. Delicious. My fans, thank you for watching. Subscribe, click the bell button or what the thing is called, and I'll see you again next week. Bye. Hors d'oeuvre. Hi. Cut. Hey, did you see outside this Hunk Huggan? He just pushed my car out of the way because he couldn't go through. This guy is super strong. Okay, I have to finish
and then I push my car back and then I go home. Enjoy, you guys. Bye bye.
Thought of the day. Two hunters go hunting in the woods. One of them slips, falls down, hits his head on a stone. His eyes roll backwards. Now his friend looks down, calls 911, says to the operator, hey, I don't know what to do. I think my friend is dead. So the operator says, well, calm down, relax, follow my lead, make sure he's really dead. So the hunter goes, boom! Okay, he's dead now. Enjoy your week.
Sounds like my diet, brother. You know,
One of my childhood...
what you gonna do, Corona? You know the Honkster, dude. Watch it. No. Der Honkster hat die größten Bizeps.